Good morning, class 6. I hope you all are good at home. So please be safe and stay at home. And today we will start the new chapter, which is adjectives. We will study about adjectives. And first of all, before studying, you have to take out your book, textbook, your English textbook, and you have to open page number 37 as I have written here on the board. So you have to open page number 37 and please take a pencil in your hand. Take a pencil in your hand before studying, okay? So before reading or anything, you have to take pencil. You have to make habit of it. So first of all, what are adjectives? What are adjectives? You know what are adjectives? Adjectives हिंदी में जिसे हम बोलते हैं विशेषण, right? So adjectives are describing words. आपने पहले भी पढ़ा है कि जो adjectives हैं they are called describing words. कि जो describing words होते हैं जो हमारे noun और pronoun को describe करते हैं, उनके बारे में additional information देते हैं, उन words को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Describing words या फिर adjectives. All right. So adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns or pronouns. So what they tell us more about? They tell us more about nouns or pronouns. All right. So what are the examples of adjectives? So what are the examples of adjectives are black hair. All right. So someone is talking about someone's black hair means this is the additional information. He would simply say that hair. Okay. But what he said, black hair means black modifies the noun, and beautiful girl, it also modifies that girl. Okay. So these are the describing words, or we can say adjectives. All right. So what is the definition of adjective is? Adjectives are describing words that tell us more about nouns or pronouns. All right. So now move on to the next topic. Next topic is what? Kinds of adjectives. What are the different kinds of adjectives? Okay. So we will study about kinds of adjectives. So first one is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality itself suggests us that what is the quality of that person. What it suggests that what is the quality of that person, कि जो भी noun या pronoun है उसकी क्या quality है, what kind of person he is or she is. Okay, there is no person but noun. Okay, what kind of noun that it. Okay, so their adjective of quality. So what are the examples of adjective of quality are good boy, caring girl, bad boy, we can say. So these are the adjective of quality in which what they are used to describe the kind or quality of the noun or pronoun. So adjective of quality are used to describe the kind or quality of a noun or pronoun. All right. Now move on to the next. Adjective of quantity. What is the adjective of quantity? What is the adjective of quantity? It tells us how much the thing is. कि हमारे पास कितना है, कोई चीज है तो वो कितनी है, थोड़ी सी है, ज्यादा है, कुछ ही है. So there we use adjective of quantity. It tells us how much the thing is there. Okay. So now move on to the adjective of number. Adjective of number, what it tells the exact number of the noun or pronoun. It tells us the exact number of that thing there is or there are. Okay, exact number. We can get the exact number. So it informs us how many things there are. What it informs us? It informs us how many things there are. So, two, there are two boys in the class. So we know the exact number of those boys. So we know the exact number. What is the exact number is? Two. Two. So next one is fifth. Fifth boy. He's sitting in the fifth row, or we can say. All right. So fifth, third, seventh, like that. Adjective of number. We know the exact number of the noun or pronoun. We know, so it informs us how many things there are. So what it informs us? It informs us how many things there are. So I have given some examples also, two, fifth, third, or seven. Now move on to the next. What is possessive adjective? What is possessive adjective? So what is possessive adjective? It shows us, it tells us the ownership, ownership, possession. What it shows the? It shows the ownership, belongingness, uh, possession of that thing. Okay, so it will, that will come in possessive adjective, like are, his, her. So this type of words are like, okay, so that type of words will come in possessive adjectives. All right. So that uh, this is our house. This is my bottle. This is my bottle. Okay, मैं कहूँगी this is my bottle. So what is this? मैं अपना possession दिखा रही हूँ कि ये मेरी bottle है. This is my bottle. Okay, this bottle is belonging to me. So that is called the possession or possessive adjective. Now move on to the demonstrative adjectives. What are the demonstrative adjectives? What are the demonstrative adjectives? The name itself suggests you that the what are demonstrative. Demonstrative means to demonstrate something. किसी को कुछ show करना, किसी को कुछ दिखाना. That is called demonstrate. Point out करके. I am demonstrating you something. So if I am pointing out something, it means that is called demonstrative. Okay, demonstrate कर रही हूँ. If I am pointing something, means this, that we use in that case. What? This is my bottle. What is that? That is my chair. This is my bottle. Okay, so where we demonstrate something, where we want to point out something, to show something, point after pointing out. So there we can say that demonstrative adjectives of a noun or pronoun. Okay, so demonstrative are words such as this, that, there, and these that point to the nouns they precede. That points to the nouns they precede are called demonstrative adjectives. All right. So these are the kinds of demonstrative adjectives. Now turn your page number 38, and there are some more adjectives are there, in which interrogative adjective, interrogative, in which some questions like which film did you like the most last year? So interrogative question is which film. So here which is the okay, I'll show you the book and then we'll do the exercise. Yes, class. Now you can see the interrogative, exclamatory, and emphatic adjectives. So read the following sentences. Which film did you like the most last year? So it's the interrogative adjective. Which film did you? Film is the noun. So it's talking about film. We are talking about film, but which is the interrogative adjective. Okay. So next one is what a beautiful scene. So what a beautiful scene. I have told you in the sentences. What are the sentence and different kinds of sentences. In that I have told you that what are exclamatory sentence. So what is the exclamatory adjective. Okay, what a beautiful scene. So what will come in exclamatory adjective? Next one is exclamatory. What beautiful stars. Where we have some sudden feelings, where we show some sudden feelings, there will come exclamatory. Then move on to the next. Only I could answer the question correctly. So this one is emphatic. What are emphatic? Where we do the emphasis. Okay, where we emphasis जहाँ पर देते हैं हम, फोकस जहाँ पे ज्यादा देते हैं कि ये तो सिर्फ मैं ही कर सकता हूँ और कोई नहीं कर सकता, तो there we use emphatic adjective. So in the what is given in the first sentence, which and is used to ask a question. So which is used to ask a question, so it is an interrogative adjective. And in the next sentence, what is used to show exclamation? What is used to show exclamation? It shows us our sudden feeling, sudden strong feeling. So it will come in exclamatory adjective. And in the last sentence, only I could answer the question correctly. Emphatic कि उसने emphasis किसने more focus किया है? Only कि सिर्फ मैं ही कर सकता हूँ इस आंसर को और कोई इसको सही नहीं कर सकता. So it will come in emphatic adjective. Okay. So now move on to the exercise. Read the following sentences and identify the adjectives by underlining them. Also write the kind of adjective used, and the first one has been done for you. So first one is, he's the most handsome boy in our family. So handsome is underlined. So what is the handsome and are? So handsome is the adjective of quality, you can easily find out. And second one is our family, it belonging to our family. वो अपना क्या दिखा रहा है? Possession दिखा रहा है, belongingness show कर रहा है, इसलिए what is there? Another one is possessiveness. Okay, so possessive adjective. Next one is, she has several friends. What? She has several friends, but she has no friend to play with. Ki several friends. We don't know the quantity. We do not know the quantity of those friends, but so that's why it will come in quantity, number of quantity. We do not know the exact number, that's why it will come in adjective of quantity. But she has no friend. Here also no friend to play, so it will also come in quantity. All right. So next one is, which car did your father buy last month? Which car? Which will come in interrogative adjective. And your father, your means possessive. Your possession इसमें दिखाएगा, इसमें belongingness show हो रही है. So father buy last month, so possessive adjective. Your is a possessive adjective. Now next one is, what a pleasant surprise. So sentence is an exclamatory sentence, means what will come in exclamatory adjective. And pleasant surprise means pleasant is a quality of that noun. And move on to the next. Some people give vague answers. So some will come in quantity, adjective of quantity, and gave vague answers. Vague means quality, it's a quality. अच्छे या बुरे जैसे भी देते हैं, लेकिन that will come in quality adjective. All right. So now move on to the next. Placement of an adjective in a sentence. An adjective can be used either attributively before the noun or pronoun it describes, or predicatively, that is at the end of a sentence. That is at the end of a sentence. What I have read, that an adjective, जो adjective होते हैं उनको हम यूज होते हैं वो एट्रीब्यूटिवली और प्रेडिकेटिवली. ओके, दो टाइप से एडजेक्टिव को यूज किया जाता है. एट्रीब्यूटिवली भी यूज कर सकते हैं हम और प्रेडिकेटिवली भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो एट्रीब्यूटिवली क्या होता है? जब वो नाउन या प्रोनाउन से नाउन और प्रोनाउन को उसके पीछे रहकर, मतलब उससे पहले आकर डिस्क्राइब करता है। जब वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बारे में उससे पहले, मतलब जब उससे पहले आता है, तो जब उसे डिस्क्राइब करता है तो हम उसे बोलते हैं एट्रीब्यूटिव यूज, और प्रेडिकेटिव यूज जब वो लास्ट में नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में बताता है तो उसे बोलते हैं प्रेडिकेटिव यूज। ओके, so these are the two nouns, two types of adjectives, placement of an adjective, see how they are placed in a sentence. So in first examples, as you can see, he is a smart boy. He's a smart boy. Boy is the noun, so it comes before the noun. Smart came before the noun. That's why it's called attributive kind use. So, and in second sentence, he is smart. Smart at the end of a sentence, so it's the predicative use. All right. So here given, when we use an adjective, जब हम adjective को just before a noun use करते हैं तो उसे attributive use बोलते हैं, और जब भी when it is used at the end of a sentence, जब हम sentence के end में उसे use करते हैं तो हम उसे predicative use बोलते हैं. Now move on to the exercise related to this topic is read the following sentences and underline the adjectives used. Also write against the sentence whether it has been used attributive or predicatively. All right, attributively or predicatively. So first sentence is, the girls of our class are active. So active is the adjective. So it's what type of use it is. So active is at the end of the sentence. So we can say it's a predicative use in first sentence. All right. And in second sentence, children love only affectionate teachers. What? Children love only affectionate teachers. So, teacher is the noun and affectionate came before a noun, just came before a noun. So, it means it's the attributive use of an adjective. Alright? So, move on to the third part. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. It's a barking dog, means before noun there is an adjective. It means it's also a attributive use. All right. So next one is, some people are always helpful. Some people are always helpful. Here also before people some is used, it means it's the attributive use. So this is the exercise you have to do in your notebook and you have to complete. First of all, you have to write the definition of an adjective, and then you have to write the examples of 2 or 3 examples, and then you have to complete these exercises. So first exercise is, read the following sentence and identify the adjectives by underlining them, and second exercise is this. So you have to do these exercises in your notebook. Thank you for today. So thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. If you have any type of queries related to this topic or any kind of English topic, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. So I will tell you the answer. Thank you.